Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Learnings. So today I bring to you one of the very easy patterns, not so easy, difficult patterns to understand, I don't know. But this is a pattern frequently used in microservices world, and I have written specially here explained in easiest way. So is it really going to be easy? Is it really going to be messy or difficult to consume that stuff which I'm going to tell you? But I believe it is going to be very, very easy, in fact, super easy to understand this circuit breaker design pattern. And I have one more slide and see what is written in this slide. It's really two, three words, I guess. So it's crossing example. Now let me tell you what is this example. Rohan is the name of a person, okay, who likes shopping, and he likes shopping, let's say, his clothes, and he wants to buy new stuff from this particular shop. Okay, oops, let me go back to the previous slide because I have these two slides only. So Rohan wants to purchase some stuff, or you can say he frequently purchases, stuff from this shop, and the stuff we are calling as, let's say, clothes or groceries, or consider it as a, let's say, D-Mart or some big bazaar or some mall, shopping mall, right? But what lies in between Rohan and this shop is a crossing. I have used the parallel symbol here, uh, but this is a crossing, and this crossing Rohan has to cross in order to go to the shop. But this is not a normal crossing, right? So this crossing basically is a kind of a bridge, you know, like you have seen in the video games. If the bridge opens, or like in the sea or oceans, when big crews have to pass, then that bridge opens up, and when the cruise or when the ship goes, then the bridge again comes back to its same position. So it is that same crossing. Whenever this shop is closed, right, so this bridge opens, means Rohan cannot go to that shop. And when this shop is open, means Rohan can is able to purchase the goods from that shop. So this bridge is basically in a closed way, closed state, you can say. So Rohan can easily drive his car through the bridge, go to the shop, purchase the goods, and come back to his home. All right, so this is really cool. So this bridge has a brilliant quality. What is that quality? That its state, means if it is open or closed, right, it depends on the shop, whether the shop is closed or not. All right, so the person who is managing the bridge, he is aware, right, whether the shop is open or closed. So let me reiterate. If the shop is open, means Rohan can go there, right, because the shop is open, Rohan can go there to purchase his goods. So the bridge is basically, the person knows that shop is open, so bridge remains in closed state. So Rohan can drive his car through the bridge and go to the shop and come back. And if the shop is closed, let's say it's a Sunday or during the night, then Rohan cannot go, right? So the bridge remains in open state. All right, so Rohan cannot pass this bridge because the bridge is open. He cannot drive his car, right, through the bridge. So Rohan sees the bridge is open, so he even if he tries to go to the shop, he won't be able to do that, and he just returns back to home. All right, so this is a very simple example of circuit breaker. Now how is this crossing example relates to circuit breaker? Let me just show you. So Rohan is nothing but my user who is invoking the service. Shop is nothing but the service, let's say an API of the service which this user invokes, and this crossing is nothing but the circuit breaker, right? If this circuit breaker knows that this service is down, right, so he this circuit breaker does not allow the user, to reach to this service. The user returns from then and there from the circuit breaker itself. All right. And if the circuit breaker sees, okay, the service is working absolutely fine, then it has, circuit breaker has no problem to allow the user to reach to the service and get back the response. All right, so this is circuit breaker. This is the importance of this component, circuit breaker. And yeah, so this makes the life easy for user. How? Because the user now knows that he he don't have to reach to service. He will not be able to reach to service because this guy is taking care of the, this path, this flow, right? And we will, deep dive more about the use case of this, or maybe the more nitty-gritties around it in the next upcoming session. All right, so for today I think that's enough. And my battery is also low, so please, I think for today it's fine. I hope you were able to grasp the concept, understand what is the importance of circuit breaker, Rohan shop example, and there lies in between a crossing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.